Need to print something from your iPhone but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a wireless printer to your iPhone. Now let's get started. The exact steps to do this will vary depending on what type of printer you have. For this demonstration, I'm using an HP printer that supports wireless printing through Wi-Fi. To begin connecting a wireless printer to your iPhone, turn on your printer and connect it to Wi-Fi according to the manufacturer's instructions. Open your iPhone settings and select Wi-Fi. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your printer is connected to. Now open the photo, file, or whatever it is that you want to print. Tap the share icon. Then select Print. At the top, tap Printer. Then select your printer from the list. Your wireless printer will now be added to your iPhone, so you can easily connect to it automatically next time you need to print something. You can now configure your printing settings how you like, and tap Print to print your document. You can monitor your print progress by swiping down from the top left corner of your screen and tapping the live printer activity that appears in your notifications. That's all it takes to add a wireless printer to iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.